are going to love the 2019 Audi Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, stability control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, climate control. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.